Alright guys, Cougarfanmess back. I'm going to do one more recap video of some baseball. I opened one box of, what do they call this stuff again? I don't even remember. I think it's the Ticket to Stardom. Yeah, Topps Ticket to Stardom, where you get, actually I opened two boxes, sorry about that. Alright, we will just start. I don't really remember what order these came in, but I'll just show them. Giovanni Soto jersey ticket. That's 90 of 110. Right there. Then we got a Fukudome dual jersey, a little pinstripe on the left one with the ticket. That one's number 27 of 90. Right there. We got Ballantine for the Mariners. Dual jersey with the ticket. That one's number 42 of 239. I guess probably the best. Yeah, probably the best one here is a gold A-Rod jersey, just because it's numbered really low, 3 of 10. My autos were alright. Cashmere jersey auto, 453 of 489, and then a Jay Bruce game used bat autograph, number 474 of 489. Then I opened one box of Ballpark up, so I'll give you a recap of this. The numbered cards, I'm not going to say what they're numbered, but I got a Dice K, Gary Sheffield, Miguel Cabrera, then I had two Prince Fielders. Alright, let's see, let's just go through these. Jake Peavy, John Smoltz, dual jersey, number to 400. Stephen Drew, JD Drew, number to 400, dual jersey. I had a bunch of Arizona Diamondbacks in my duals. Dual jersey, Brandon Webb, Chris Young, pinstripe up at the top to number to, oh, this one's number to 500. Another Diamondbacks, Chris Young, Stephen Drew, dual jersey. That one's to 350. Fours, let's see, Francoeur, Kemp, Jones, and that should be Chris Young. That one's numbered to 400. Reyes, Hanley Ramirez, Ian Kinsler, Yunel Escobar to 500. Whoa, there it is. Let's see. We got Trevor Hoffman, Johan Santana, CC Sabathia, and Matt Garza. Quad to 500. Let's see. Veritek, Josh Beckett, Jorge Posada, Chin-Ming Wong. That one's to 400. Oh, I don't even remember who these guys are. Josh Beckett, Nick Markakis, Roy Halladay, Andy Pettit, Mike Lowell, Adam Jones, Jesse Litch, and Jonathan Alabadejo. That's your 8 swatch, number to 200, 51 of 200. Six-way is, see, Ryan Braun, Ryan Ludwig, Prince Fielder, Miguel Cabrera, Chris Young, and Carlos Lee. That one is numbered somewhere. Oh yeah, 40 of 200. And then my rookie auto was James Parr for the Braves, out of 500. I'm a Braves fan, so that was cool to get that. Hoping for Hanson, but guess I'll have to settle. And then I got a Josh Hamilton jersey autograph, not numbered. I collect Josh Hamilton, so that's pretty sweet. Pretty excited about that. That definitely made the box. Alright guys, thanks. Well, I'll probably keep most of the Ballpark stuff, so probably won't see that on eBay. Thanks guys, bye.